located in a highly desirable area. The new private gated community of Entrada Del Bosque offers the best of Albuquerque. Across from the gardens on the Rio Grande. Minutes away from Old Town, Zoo, Aquarium, Botanic Garden, museums and the Paseo Del Bosque Trail. Easy access to downtown and I-40. This beautifully designed 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home is a must-see. Spacious downstairs master suite with its enter vanities and walk-in closets. Open gourmet kitchen, great for entertaining. 3 spacious living areas, oversized guest suites, 2 upstairs balconies and amenities throughout. A wonderful home, downstairs master suite great for in-law quarters.